Now let's go walk down this other way. We'll see if we can get the sound of the creek. Ooh, look at the pretty yellow trees. Ooh. I love this time of year. You've heard me talk about walking the yard. Well, today I don't have my little buddy Sadie out here with me, but she might come along a little later. Not too much longer, and those leaves won't be there anymore. They'll be on the ground for Jason to take care of them. Yeah. Here we go. Ooh, look. Oh. Beautiful Mother Nature. Yes. Kind of an uneventful walk, but it restores my soul. Hang in there with me, and I bet you'll be able to hear the water. It's one of the most special sounds out here to me. There it is. Not flooding this time, but making this beautiful noise.